So I'm gonna come off Tesla and jump over to Apple. A lot of people trade Tesla. If you go through your journal at your old Tesla plays, it doesn't have to be opening bell plays. It could be anything to the upside, momentum, divergence, bull flag. Just check on the 4 hour time frame. Do your own homework on the 4 hour time frame and see how much we respect it. So I'm gonna go over to Apple, February 13, 2025. Another opening bell, red to green opening range break. Let's see what we have here. It's a pre-market high. Boom. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, the recent. These are the recent high rejections. And Apple's not a fast mover like that, so I don't expect it to do anything crazy like Tesla. So these 50 cent moves in between is fine. It's fine enough for me. I believe every 50 cent is like a what, 10 to 15%, I believe, for Apple. Apple's, what is that? It's loading because it's on demand. I forgot what Apple's ATR is. I think Apple's ATR is like $4 or so. Let me see what happens 5 minutes into the market. Boom, you reject. Let's see what happens. Come down. You have a 238 break. Reject right here, the 238.54. Reject that 238.96 and come straight down. Next date is September 30th, 2024. First, I'm gonna fix the time. Pre-market high. September 30th, 2024. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm bugging. That's the same that I just did. September 30th, 2024. Pre-market high. Candle look like it wants to go red to green. Let's see what we have. We have a nice level here. I like that rejection right there. One, two. See what we have. Okay. Let's see what we have. Is that too close? Okay. I'm gonna do this right here. So we can't break and hold above this resistance. Then we have this next one, which is $1 away. Okay. From here to here is like 60 cents away. All right, let's see what happens. You watch a stock long enough, you know what it could do. Let's see what happens with this. Let's go to 930, 935. Boom. Nice rejection. Nice breakout rejection at the level that I had. Can't break out, coming back down. Nice red to green at this 1 minute downtrend. See what happened at 50. We come back down. Still holding this resistance as support. There you have it. Two nice Apple trades. Clear this. Boom, boom.